first choice of museum on this rainy vacation day in Pensacola was to go to the military museum at the Pensacola Naval Military Base. But when we got there, we found out that the base was closed except to active military or veterans. And since no one in the car matched that description, we were forced to turn around and go find something else to do. We found the Pensacola Art Museum and really enjoyed it. It's a neat little museum. It's in the old Pensacola jail. There's a little bit of history involved with the building. They had some neat exhibits, and it was a good way to spend a rainy, wet afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're ever in Pensacola, I highly recommend you check out the Pensacola Art Museum.